Hey guys, it's Hybrid Comics here, and this is week 5 of trading cryptocurrencies. So since last week, I have not made one trade. Because I'm using GDAX, I only have Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum to trade, and they have been just really flat, so I haven't been able to sell any, and I don't have any money to buy any. So that's where that is. I'm still up, I guess, 4% over, a little bit more than 4% over last week. I guess that's great for not doing anything. But that's that. The market right now is, I guess, pretty awesome for Bitcoin and not so awesome for the altcoins. Right now, Bitcoin is 65.68, and it's November 1st right now. So 6,568. I think it peaked right at 6,600, which is a high, a record high, I guess. But that's where that's at. So I'm just looking at some charts, looking for where I think it'll go and where the next resistance and next dip will be. Bitcoin likes to go up and down over not long periods, but I guess maybe month-long periods. If you can find where those dips are going to be, it can be pretty profitable. So I'm guessing, and I'm writing this stuff down for me, just for future reference to see if I'm right. But I'm guessing when it drops down again, it's either going to drop down to right around 5,400 or all the way down to 4,900. But I bet it's the 5,400 mark that Bitcoin goes to. Litecoin, let's jump over to that one. And you can see in the chart, it's just been flat between 54 and 56 or 57 for quite some time. I have my sell orders at 62. And so I think on the day that I set it, it hasn't been to 62 since. That was October 18th. And now it's almost 13 days later. Almost 2 weeks later since that happened. So Litecoin's been flat pretty much since then. It's pretty much found a bottom right around 54, 53. So I don't think it's going to be going down. I mean, it just keeps on testing that with those candles right there. So hopefully after this Bitcoin run and the next fork coming up here, it's going to start going up again. That's where I would assume it would go. Ethereum, kind of the same story. It's a bit more volatile, which is good. It's moving around pretty good. I couldn't really find a point of resistance on that, of where it's going to bottom or where it's going to go up. So I'm just watching that. For right now, what else do I have? I've got a Coin. That one I did find good resistance. All the altcoins right now are down pretty good, so if I had the money to buy, I would be buying. But as you can see, Coin has come down to 0.00366 here, and then just over and over again. So it's a pretty good flat, hard bottom right there. And so hopefully it'll just stay there and then shoot back up. But yeah, it's pretty consistent. That one's obvious, easy to see. IOTA, not as obvious as a SIA coin. But it looks like the bottom's going to be right around 0.36. That's where it is right now. So maybe it's going lower. But that's what it's tend to do. It goes down and then shoots right back up, so it can't sustain that candle. But we'll see here after today, see if it does. And then we have 10x, which is down 11%, which is down a lot. Here is another pretty flat. They're just all hitting at like 1.54. So hopefully that's a bottom, the bottom of that too. So if I had the money, I'd be buying those things up. Everything is down and at a good price. Vertcoin was, let me pull that one up, or I mean it has, still is, was shooting up. I mean, that's pretty crazy right there. But today has been a very volatile day for it. Right now it's at 4.6. So Vertcoin is probably doing, as far as the altcoins, I haven't seen many more that are doing any better than this. So I'm pretty jazzed to be a part of that. What do I got planned? Mining. Right now, I'm not really mining. I do Earnably, and it gets me about $1 a day in Bitcoin. And then I cash it in every 30 days and get $30 into my Coinbase account. That's real simple and easy. It's not really mining, but it's $1 a day in Bitcoin. It is as if I were mining, and getting paid a little bit to do it. But I am planning on buying a mining rig, or not buying one, but making one. And I'm going to start trying to do a Vertcoin just because I like it. It answers and solves a lot of problems that Bitcoin doesn't. The more I look at the cryptocurrencies, I see Bitcoin less as a currency and more as like a store of value. Like Bitcoin is going to be something that people hold on to and not really trade, just because it's expensive to use it transactionally, and it takes like 30 minutes for a transaction to go through. So as a currency, it's not very, I guess, viable. Whereas something like Vertcoin is going to be almost instantaneous. You can do atomic swaps with it. It has the anonymity factor if you want it in there. And what else? It's got a few other things. It's a pretty versatile coin, and I just like it. I think it's a well-written, I guess, program is what it really is in the end, but it's pretty cool, and I think it's going to do well. So I'm going to be making a mining rig for that and seeing what I can do. It'll just be simple. It'll be one graphics card, and I'll be mining on a pool. So we'll see where that gets me. Upcoming McAfee coin happens, I think, November 6th, and I filled out most of the paperwork. I think they're supposed to send me back one more thing to fill out so I can participate. But yeah, if that all gets done, I'm going to be in the ICO and try to get some of that, because I think that'll do well, just because McAfee's a part of it. So That's coming up. Bitcoin gold is going up today, but I don't think anyone can still access their Bitcoin gold unless it's on an exchange. They still haven't, as far as I know, I haven't looked in this past hour, but I haven't seen any wallets released or anything, so it's kind of a joke. That's where I am at the moment. So maybe next week I'll be talking about McAfee coin, and probably next week I'll have the rig in the mail, and I'll tell you what I actually purchased. But I doubt it'll be delivered and built yet. So, and then the next fork is coming up too, but that's in 2 weeks, I think, like the 11th. So that'll probably be interesting for Bitcoin, not so much for the alts, because as Bitcoin goes up, they're going to stagnate or go down. So we'll see what we see. I'll have a bit more money next week because I have a bunch of books up on eBay again, so I can pay for the mining rig and pay for the McAfee ICO. So hopefully either the market, Litecoin and Ethereum, move up a little so I can start trading with them again, or have enough money left over that I can put it in and just buy some more alts. I would probably just invest in the stuff I already have. I don't think I'd buy anything new at the moment. But we'll see. So there's links at the bottom. Any questions, contradictions, stuff like that, let me know. Leave me a comment. And I see you guys next week. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.